Most beginners think when they see an option priced at 50 cents that it only costs 50 cents, but that's not how options work. And this is where people get caught off guard and fast. Hey, I'm Eric with Option Alpha, and today we're talking about contract multipliers. Now, an options contract doesn't control just one share. It controls 100 shares, and that's the multiplier. So when you see a price like 50 cents, you're not dealing with 50 cents. You're dealing with 50 cents times 100. That's $50 per contract. All right, let's make this real. Right here, we're looking at the same exact trade on NVDA. Same strikes, same expiration, same setup. Nothing about this trade changes except one thing: the number of contracts. Let's start with one contract. You're collecting about 50 cents. That's about $50 total profit potential. And the max loss, about $445. Now, watch this. We go from one contract to 5 contracts. Nothing else changes, same trade, but now your max profit jumps to about $275. But your max loss jumps to about $2,225. Now, let's take it one step further. We go to 10 contracts. Same exact setup, nothing else has changed but the contract numbers. Now, our max profit is about $550. The max loss is about $4,450. And that's the multiplier in action. Nothing about the trade idea changed, only the size. And that's the key. Options scale in real dollars fast. This is where most beginners mess up. They think it's only a 50-cent option, so it's cheap, but they forget that that's $50 per contract. And it adds up quickly, so you stack contracts, and then without realizing it, you've taken on a lot more risk. So here's the rule. Every option price you see, multiply it by 100. Then multiply that by how many contracts you're trading. That's your real exposure. All right, quick recap. One contract controls 100 shares, and your total risk depends on how many contracts you stack. Before placing a trade, ask, what is this in real dollars? And that's how you take the guesswork out of options trading. In the next lesson, we'll talk about in the money, at the money, and out the money, and how you can use them to affect your trades. And if you want a full structured track, the beginner's course is completely free at optionalpha.com. Subscribe here for more options in plain English as we continue to take the guesswork out of options trading. I'll see you in the next video.